I accidentally poured wine into a recording studio board. Eric Burden thought it was funny, so we started creating this song. And it goes like this. I'm gonna sing it since I'm the one who made that accident happen. I was once taking a trip. Oh, is that what that means? Yeah, a trip as in vacation to the Big Island. When I thought I laid my cabeza in this big field of tall grass, you call it mota. To lay my head down and to rest. I laid there in the sun. Now remember, this was back in 1969. I think it was the sun, or maybe it was the moon, or maybe it was a UFO. Whatsoever it was, it had to be funky. Woo! Before I knew it, out of that moon, sun, a star, a UFO, or whatever it was, came this lady. My imagination started running wild. Or was just my imagination running away with me? She walked slowly to me. Or did I walk to her? I think I was frozen at the time. In her hand was a bottle of sangria wine. Oh, you remember that, huh? In the other was one of those space cups. The cup started pulsating. Waiting for a drink. She poured some of the wine into this pulsating space cup. And I noticed that she had a third hand. Now this really blew my mind, the little bit I had left at the time. In that other hand, believe it or not, was a big fat spliff. Already lit. She dumped some of the ashes into the pulsating space cup and shook it. She began to shake. Shook it. She shook it, and everything started shaking, shook it. Everything started shaking.